This is the Concepts and Images class and projects that they've been working on this semester. Here are the students, and they were working with these visiting artists, and this is a class taught by Professor Lester Johnson. In the class, they documented everything that they did. Laura Little took photographs of the artists and the students. This is Larry Cressman. And here is artist Rachel Reynolds working with Dahlia Reyes. And I'm going to try to show you all the work. This is artist Robert Myrek working with Jennifer Patchett on her series of modern icons. This is a number of the people in the class, with Laura in the middle. And this is her work on a Detroit urban timeline. I was just talking to Laura about it, and she explained to me that there were a number of icons and images that relate to the history of Detroit. Stylistically, this is very much patterned after Romare Bearden's collages. Let's get an overview of the whole area. This is the Bay Area, and we use it to display what's going on in the classes for the entire school community. Here is Natalie Estep, who is also talking with Rachel Reynolds about her work, namely this spiny thing, which we see part right here. Beautiful and dangerous at the same time. And then when you investigate it, there's a ring. This is also another one of her pieces that's meant to be participatory, where you take a sheet of paper and you write down what is God to you. I'll go through all of them. God is an alligator. God is good. God is going to buy me a Mercedes-Benz. God is not interested in your prom date. God is living in a condo in Florida with Elvis. God is energy. So this is going to be changing as long as the work is up. I got close to this stuff. I think it's motor oil or tar. Quite the opposite of what you would find with This little jewel box. It's another one of Natalie's pieces. Brush. All of these little cast heads. This is the work of Ricky Fraley. These sculptures. I think that, let's see. Very spidery. I think I was told they were supposed to represent disease. Let's see what this says. Here's Ricky with Rachel Reynolds with one of the pieces in process. I plan on creating a body of work that combines both fabricated steel sculpture and abstract painting. Oh, both. I'm very interested in medicine and forensics, and will use the microscopic imagery of medical ailments that are a result of the industrial age. Wow. Some interesting work. These paintings, tapestry, and these objects on the shelf by Mary Savage. It's called The Comfort Zone. Whenever I feel overwhelmed or uncomfortable, I go to a safe place in my mind. I picture myself sitting in the garden or the living room of my grandparents' cottage in Ontario. It sits on Lake Huron. And so she has this tableau of objects that remind her of these people in her family: Aunt Susie, Dad, Grandpa, Grandma. Reminiscences and pictures of places that she's full of remembrance for. That one's kind of funny. She told me she was painting over an old picture. Here is a tapestry that one of the members of her family made. Do not stand at my grave and weep. I am not there. I do not sleep. I am 1,000 winds that blow. I am the diamond glints on snow. Do not stand at my grave and cry. I am not there. I did not die. Memory is a powerful thing, isn't it? And family. Here is a painting about that. Anthony Campbell. The theme I plan on focusing on is that of love. And here's Anthony Campbell with the instructor of the class, Professor Lester Johnson. Love is the strongest emotion known to man and always has been, whether it's the love of a person, object, place, or thing. In my series, I will do oil paintings of the people I love in conjunction with the things that they love. Very sensitively dealt with. The whole class, I think, did a wonderful job. This is a class that was a painting, all media, sculpture, conceptual work. Well done.